Let me ask, does making 71 to 85% gains every 60 seconds sound like an impossible return in today's market? Well, you better prepare for an oxygen mask because this is going to leave you breathless. Using the peak performance of the Trading Everest system, you can make 71 to 85% each and every time you trade. Gains of $345 in 60 seconds is not only possible, it's highly likely. Gains of $540 in just 5 minutes? Again, very possible. Better yet, you can begin your Trading Everest ascent with gains like these starting in the next 5 minutes. And all you need to start is just a few $100s in your trading account and the desire to watch your profits peak. Traders who have been using our proprietary Money Multiplier market screening system combined with the super-fast Trading Everest software have been able to take as little as $200 and turn it into $40,490 a week without lifting a finger. This trading program uses the same screening criteria Wall Street's elite hedge fund managers use to rack up big gains and huge fortunes. But now, we've been able to duplicate these high-powered trading programs so that you, the regular average investor, can explore your financial peaks and reach the summit of your max profit potential. Hi, my name is Jason Gaines, and I've been involved in trading binary options for the last 4 years. Before that, I worked at the New York Stock Exchange working for a prestigious hedge fund. Even though I was making 6 figures annually, enjoying all the perks that come along with being a top trader, I just wasn't built to be someone else's puppet for 60 hours a week. I hated having my entire day planned out for me. I was told when to go to appointments, when to take calls, when to go to meetings, heck, even when I could eat and sleep. Bit by bit, I was driven into the ground by a heartless machine that had no love for the nature of the individuals working in it. The 9-to-5 corporate world wasn't for me, but thankfully I gained enough experience under my belt to be successful when it came to amounting wealth with a steady stream of winning trades. The day I quit, I called up a good friend of mine. Chris is my nerd buddy from high school. He excelled in the advanced study of statistical analysis. Using his complex understanding of numbers, he fine-tuned his skills of cutting through figures and reading between the lines and applied it to picking winning stocks on Wall Street, a skill he's been happily profiting from for the last few years. I wanted to see if he was interested in getting together and starting a business. I figured, with my trading knowledge and his mathematical skills, we could climb the rocky road of trading without having to bow down to some ego-driven yuppie. Never one to explore his ambitions, Chris was very interested in putting his math and programming skills to work. And since I had just discovered the profitable world of binary options, I gave him a challenge that I never thought he'd be able to solve. I told him I wanted a program that would help me increase my chances of trading binary options more profitably and with less of my time having to be there in front of a computer. I showed him all of the trading tools I used each day to trade and showed him the indicators I wanted him to program into the software. After a few months of coding and programming, Chris told me that he had come up with something that he felt could reverse the polarity of trading for novice investors, a means that would not only help me, but the whole trading community profit. He said that it used a series of mathematical formulas and equations to accurately and reliably notice when a potential winning trade is peaking, using statistics, probability, and past trading patterns. Chris was able to program the software to use certain indicators to trigger when a certain trade would near its trade peak potential, or its TPP. We put it through a lot of testing, refining, and tweaking. And after almost a year of work, Chris told me that his new Money Multiplier software with its uniquely integrated TPP formula was ready. He made a joke saying that after it was done, he was so tired and exhausted from spending month after month programming it, he needed oxygen just like he'd climbed a mountain. Well, that's all it took for me to name this Money Multiplier Trading Everest. One, because of Chris and his exhaustive journey into creating this breakthrough profit maker. And two, because once anybody uses it, it will be like you're standing on top of a giant money mountain. And three, because it utilizes the first trade peak potential indicator of its kind, meaning you can use Trading Everest to make your financial climb an easy one, whilst others simply struggle. Trading Everest is scientific in its trading approach. As you'll soon learn, this trading robot could quite possibly be the most important trading tool you'll ever need. I showed Chris how to trade binary options, and he was able to make $769 the first 2 days and close to $12,900 the first week using Trading Everest. He was having a blast using this automated signal generator software to pull in gains of between 71 and 81%, even while he had no idea what he was doing. The first week I used Trading Everest, I made $439 in 5 minutes, $589 in 30 minutes, and over $788 in an hour. In the opening 7 days I used Trading Everest, I quickly cashed in $5,493. And let's just say my weekly earnings have gone up quite a bit from there. I average between $40,560 and $45,433 per week using Trading Everest. And it takes me about 20 minutes of no-effort trading each day. Let me explain how Trading Everest works. On a daily basis, the software automatically scans all the major exchanges, looking to cherry-pick the best possible winning signals at that very moment. Winning signals are determined using a scientific screening system we call the money multiplier. In a way, it's like a 10-point inspection to ensure that the trades the system uncovers represent the best potential profitable trade there is. When those chosen trades then reach their max trade profit potential, we have another indicator to alert us to the upcoming window of opportunity. Even trades that many investors would consider excellent get filtered out, and you're left with the true moneymakers. Those are the trades that could give you big gains with limited risk. This means you no longer have to worry about the impossible task of sifting through every trade, eliminating the bad, and zeroing in on the best of the best. How well does this system really work? Well, I've shown you the results that Chris pulled in without knowing anything about binary options. He pulled in $12,900 the first week, and I now average between $40,000 and $45,000. Some weeks it's a lot more, some weeks less. But just for kicks, I showed my wife how to use Trading Everest too. So we put in $250 the first week and turned on Trading Everest, and then let her trade the signals it generates for just 25 minutes a day. Quite honestly, I wasn't that shocked by the results, since I'd already seen the power of it, but she was blown away, and at the end of the week she was up over $13,466 in pure profit. And this was the very first week she used it. In just over 3 months, I've earned close to $450,600, and Chris is closing in on $278,000. Over the course of the last year, the Trading Everest program has continued to perform with a success rate of around 87% and an average profit of 71 to 85% on all trades. Just imagine how much money you'd make if you had this system working for you. Imagine being able to log in on a Monday, trade for 15 minutes, knowing you'll end that day with a profit with minimal effort needed on your behalf. You do this until Friday and see that Trading Everest made you a nice, easy $23,900 to $45,000 a week, while you spent the rest of the 23 hours, 45 minutes each day playing golf, hiking, walking the beach, relaxing, or traveling. With 9 out of every 10 trades bringing in profits, you could turn your initial $200 investment into a yearly salary that most CEOs would die for. Now, I admit it took a little bit of time and work to refine and perfect this system, working all the bugs out. But it's been worth it. because it's firing on all cylinders now, and I feel that I'll be retired in the next 4 years from using this. Look at how simple it is to start making money with Trading Everest. It's 100% no-effort trading. You just do exactly as it says when you decide to trade. No installation required, so it works on any device. You can log in anywhere. You can be up and trading in 5 minutes. You hardly need to do anything at all, except click a button within a certain amount of time and then watch the profits come in. It produces an average win rate of 87% and profits of 71 to 85% per trade. You'd be hard-pressed to find a system that's this profitable. All you have to do is log in, click a button when asked, and profit. That's it. You're able to pull in gains of $12,900, $13,466, and $34,544 each week, which is what Chris did, my wife did, and I did. Life gets real exciting, real fast. The last year of extreme market volatility has been an excellent proving ground for this program. And judging from the profits we've made, Trading Everest has proven to be a valid, consistent, and valuable tool that brings in 71 to 85% profit per trade like clockwork. It's not even biased or opinionated. It's based on 10 of the market's most trusted indicators. Given all the recent market corruption, I don't blame you for being skeptical about the program. With a market this volatile, it can be easy to get stuck trading less than desirable commodities. The criteria used to scan trades are what separate the winning trades from the losers. This is how you can pick winners with amazing accuracy. I've programmed Trading Everest to find the best trades you can use to multiply your money quickly and safely. Once you set up Trading Everest to trade for you, it won't take long before you're watching your funds ascend to the top of the trading mountain, where you can stick your flag in at the summit and let the world know you're free. Free from bosses, free from unnatural schedules, and free to spend money and, more importantly, time with your family and loved ones. Logic would tell you that a system that picks profitable trades each and every day is worth a lot of money. But if you're willing to try it out right now, it won't cost a fortune. In fact, most people call me crazy because I've set the price so low. But I'm interested in helping you make a profit in this market. And quite frankly, I don't think you should have to pay an arm and a leg to do it. Besides, the more feedback and real-world results I can get, the more I can show those results to others who are on the fence about trying this program. Remember, with gains averaging 71 to 85% and a success rate of 87%, this is as sure of a bet as anything. I'm so confident in this program. If you don't double your money in 6 months, I'll give you $100 for your trouble. That's right. If you don't double your money in 6 months, I'm going to give you $100 out of my own pockets just to say thanks for trying it. I'm willing to make this double your money in 6 months offer because I'm so confident that you'll quickly see just how much money you can make using this system, starting with just $200. I've never made this deal before, but I'm offering you this special arrangement today because I don't want a few dollars to stop you from enjoying the profits that you can make with this. Remember, a $200 investment made me over $43,677.83 just by using the Trading Everest program. How would you like returns like that? Don't answer because I know. If you want those returns too, I urge you to make your decision quickly. Given the success our money multiplier has enjoyed, I suspect that the interest will be enormous. Please don't risk losing your chance to get in on the action. As you've seen, averaging 76% returns in a very volatile market can give you peace of mind. It's as simple as that. Right now, we're accepting new users on a first-come, first-served basis. If you're ready to get started, if you're ready to profit more than you ever have from trading, take the next step. Waiting one day longer could be the difference between being in on the next play or missing out altogether. Sign up for our special trial offer and double your money in 6 months, or we pay you $100 for your troubles. If you're still hesitant, sign up right now and start using Trading Everest. Simply click the Access Now button below to enroll immediately.